Hi, my name is Eric, and I'm going to demonstrate how you can correct an imperfect performance with GarageBand. So what I have here is um, set up where I have some MIDI instruments where I actually recorded that from a score from another program that I wrote and then I exported to MIDI. And then I used this tenor voice track from the MIDI instrument as a vocal guide that I sang to as I played that back. So now I have three different performances, and as it happens, I like the three different sections from the different tracks. So what I'll do is I'll do the trim, and I'll add those different performances to a single track, and then I can correct the actual performance in terms of the timing, since I'm a little bit coming in late in some of the different stanzas here. So what I'll do is I'll select with the playhead where I want to start, and that can be close to the actual beginning, or I can dial it back just to give myself a little bit of space. And then when you go to the other track, you can see that equivalent space. So actually there's a little bit of noise here, so we'll just trim that out as well. When we do this, it actually starts pretty much on time right there. And then you can go to the edit, and then you can select split regions at playhead. And then we'll continue to do that for the other areas. And the key command is Command T, so we can just start doing this real quickly. Create our trims for the different areas, the different tracks, or you can use this MIDI to sort of guide us as to where that's going to be. Select the right track, and we'll trim off any excess at the end, which is probably just going to be sort of noise. So now that we've got those splits done, we can go ahead and create a new track with no input selected. And I'll just move this right here to the top. Drag and drop. And then in order to copy it, you just hit the Option key and drag, and then we get that exactly lined up with where it was before in the track. And now we've got our three different performances. Now in order to go ahead and correct the location, we'll move the playhead once again to roughly the location in the MIDI where we actually want this to be, sort of guide us where we're going to go. Come back here, you can see we're just a tad off, so we can just click and drag and drop that over, and we can do the same thing over here. So line this up at the top here on the title bar. This is where it's supposed to start, and then go to our performance, and you can see still just a bit off, so drag the area just below the title bar to move it. And there you have now the corrected version. And now you can select three different performances, three different tracks with the Shift key down. You can go here, join the regions. We'll say we're going to create a new audio file. That's awesome. We have a single audio file, and we can deselect this, select one of our guitar performances that we like, and now we will have a single version that we can export to disk as an MP3 file. That's my demo, and thanks so much for watching.